beautiful day here in southeastern Kentucky. We're up on the roof here, and I'm going to show you guys exactly why that's your brand new single wide, double wide, no matter what wide it is, mobile home. The roof is probably not going to last 10 years on it. I would say most of them, especially if you're in a high wind zone, you would be lucky to get 5 years. So guys, I'm replacing this boot here, but I want to show you why exactly that I'm saying shingles don't last long on mobile homes, especially if you're in high wind zones. We're not really in high wind zones here in southeast Kentucky, but this boot's busted, it's leaking. See, it's just, the rubber's all dry rotted. We'll just pop this up. We'll have to replace a few shingles around it. Looks like somebody's tried to screw this one back down before. It's got quite a bit more. Yeah. It's already wet underneath there. Let me show you guys. So you know most shingles are put down with roofing nails. Watch this. There was no effort at all to pull that off. You know why? Shingles are installed on manufactured homes with that little staple. That staple compared to, and that's how you can tell if they're original, is original shingles. That compared to a nail. That's pretty chintzy if you ask me. So what I'm telling you is I don't even know how they would allow them to do that, but they do. I have a 2021 model mobile home, so a brand new one, and I got up just to look and see if they still do it the same way as they did these, and they in fact do. My shingles are installed with staples, and I mean, I could wiggle the shingles around. They're just, it's not a good practice at all. And I don't know of any contractors who install shingles who use staples, and if they did, I would not let them install shingles on my house, for sure. It's hot today, pushing about 85 here in southeast Kentucky. So guys, what I'm expecting here to find is this wood's probably rotted. Yeah. You shouldn't be able to grab wood and break it with your hands like that. So we need to come down That shingle's ripped there. We need to come down and see. That's what I thought. It's rotted right there too. Well, this has turned into a fun little project. I'm probably gonna put you guys in time-lapse mode, and we'll probably cut this out and replace this whole piece of OSB. We'll have to get a new one of these, and I already got the boot to go over this. I'll put you on time-lapse mode and you can witness it firsthand. Guys, this ended up being a lot worse than I thought it originally was. And I've notified them of that, but they don't want to put a new roof on it, so it's got a spot right here where you can just jab a bar plumb through the wood. So I'm guessing where that vent leaked, somehow it got on top of that paper, or there's either a hole in one of these shingles down here. I found a small hole in one, but it's rotted out around both of them, that vent and that boot. And there's a, see if I can show you here. I can push down 3-4 inches right there. And it's soft up here too. There's a rotted spot there where it's leaked. So we're doing what we can. Just want to show you guys it turned out to be a little bit worse than we thought. Change the plan, guys. After talking to the homeowner, we've decided to put a new roof on the place. So I found several rotted spots with OSBs rotted through. So we're fixing to rip some shingles off. It'll be a hot, sunny weekend. Good Lord willing, we'll get this side of the house done this weekend. Let's get right to it, guys. There's a hole here. It's rotted through around both that bathroom vent and that vent pipe for the septic. It's rotted there around that septic line. There's a hole right there. It's rotted completely through down here. So I'm getting ready to get my measuring tape, measure the roof, and we're going to go take a Lowe's trip. Boy, it is hot. It's a beautiful weekend though. Thank the Lord for it. I ordered me a straw hat that actually fits my head. If you can't tell, this one don't fit too good. But it ain't in yet. It's supposed to be here this evening. Let's go to Lowe's, guys. It's a beautiful Saturday morning here in southeast Kentucky. Getting back started on this here shingle job. We ended up going to Lowe's last night and getting everything. I came out and worked a little bit in the dark. We almost got this whole face tore off. This weekend, Lord's will, I would at least like to get, I'd like to get the whole house done this weekend. I don't know if that's possible. Supposed to have a guy come be helping me this morning, but he hasn't showed up yet. But I at least want to get this side of the house done. I wish the help was here. We can get ready to start packing these shingles up the ladder. And I'm going to get started without him though. So guys, the guy that's supposed to come help me never showed up, so I just got with it alone, and you know, it's GK building, and we do it either way if we don't have help or not. I ended up getting a young fellow from one of the churches I visit some to come help me for a few hours, and hired him to help me a little bit. And then after he got done, I kept on working through and ended up getting the brother-in-law to help me some the next day. But boy, it was a lot of work packing those shingles up that ladder alone and then getting up and moving them. Guys, we got one full piece there ripped out, one full piece there. We're going to do a 6-foot piece here, and that little corner piece in the valley there has to be replaced. It's coming along. It's a lot of work though, and it's hot. It's hot, guys. I'm talking about hot. And we're getting her knocked out though. A couple more pieces of sheathing, and fixing one more patch, and then we'll be able to roll some synthetic underlayment on and some ice and water shield. The sun is finally down, and all the patchwork is finished. That piece replaced, that piece replaced, this piece replaced. Here replaced, there piece replaced, on the end replaced. Piece here replaced, around that replaced. Actually, I forgot, I said patchwork done. We have to patch right here. Why in the world they would put a 2-foot section and then run that 6-inch section all the way across, I have no clue. But guys, it's hot. It's been hot today. I got burnt to a crisp. But you know, thank the Lord for the work. And thank the Lord He gave me the strength to do it. Morning, guys. So we've been out here for about an hour and 20 minutes now, and we have put the Valley ice and water shield on. Some guys I know put the underlayment first and then the water shield, but to me it makes more sense for if there was a leak, hopefully anywhere on this ceiling, water would come down and it make its way to the Valley. If the underlayment was under the ice and water shield and say there was a leak up here and it got its way down on the underlayment and it just trickled down, it would hit the edge of the ice and water shield. That makes sense to me. So that's the way I do it. And took us a little bit over an hour to get the underlayment on and this ice and water shield up the Valley. Put a little ice and water shield around those two vent pipes. And we're getting ready to strike a chalk line at 11 1/4 inches to get our starter strips on. We almost got the first 4 runs on. Working it back into this valley. We're going to be doing a closed valley. And that's just where you tie this one over. This is the only weave. Run that up, and then you can run this side all the way up. Strike a chalk line, run some shingles up the center, and then you run this side to that chalk line. It's coming along though. I made a dummy mistake. I sheathed over this vent here, and I went back on my videos and found where it was, and thankfully I took some videos and I could cut that back out. So guys, I just striking 2 chalk lines at a time for the head or top of my shingles and running those 2 out. 1, 2. I just keep doing that over and over, and it'd be easier if we had some kind of help, but nobody wants to work. And tried to pay several people to come out and help me, but nobody wants to work, so just striking it along, doing what I can, but laying my shingles out down through here and then going back and nailing them down. It's working out. It'd be a lot faster if I had a couple more guys, but you know, it is what it is. We got this side done. We snapped our chalk line for a closed cut valley. Turner's been here helping me about the last hour, and it's going a lot quicker now. I'm gonna try to get this part done tonight. Hey guys, thank you all for watching so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a major roof failure video, and this is the first roof I've ever shingled on a full house. And it's turning out really nice. I've shingled several buildings and stuff, but this is the first full house. I hope y'all enjoyed the content, and leave a comment if you've seen this same kind of failures on double wides or manufactured homes. Appreciate every one of you. Hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Leave a comment. God bless.